Okay, so this is going to be a comparison of the Royal Enfield Continental stock exhaust and the MGO or EMGO aftermarket exhaust, so the sound difference. So we're going to do just the stationary and then take it for a ride and do the same exact comparison. So let's start it up. Pretty quiet. You could hear the engine a lot. So once I change that exhaust out, we'll see what the difference is. Again. Okay, so the EMGO pipes are on now. So much smaller and lighter, unbelievable. Haven't started it up yet, so let's see what it sounds like. That wasn't good. Definitely louder. I like it.
Wearing myself so thin that you can almost